Took a power walk for exercise to my favorite little painting spot on the canal. There was a lot of nice wildlife. I thought, wow, if I really hurry up, those birds might hang around. I could paint one. So I did try to paint one. Didn't come out too good. Then an iguana came along. I don't know if he thought I was going to feed him or what, but he was hanging around for a while. Next I decided I was going to try to paint the water, even though I didn't have any confidence that I would be able to effectively paint the water. So there I tried to paint the water. Came out a little bit like watery, and the iguana was coming close to me, making me a little nervous. You know, the Dade County says you're supposed to kill those things when you see them, as they are a invasive species that ruin underground areas. So I don't know how you would go about killing it, and I don't think I'd really like to do that. But anyway, moving right along, trying to paint the water, and it was didn't really feel great. A lot of fun though out there in the sun, and I think I might have lost a pound walking in that 95-degree heat. And that's it, the big finish, the water thing. Hold it up like, they got those photorealistic ones that you can't even tell where the paper ends. Well, this isn't one of them, I guess. And then some blackbirds came along.